gingerly oil, chana dal and curry leaves. Fry. 3 red chilies. Fry. 1 garlic without taking the tolu. Fry. Roughly cut onions. Fry. Costliest item, 3 roughly cut tomatoes. Fry. Perungayam. Tick. Malli podi, half teaspoon for flavor. Tick. Rock salt. Tick. Fry. Little amount of puli, tamarind, chick. Fry. Roughly cut 4 radish. Fry. Add konjam water. Close the lid. 5 minutes, go away. Remove the cover. To open cooking, leave the lid open and make the radish roast. It should become brown. Kashmiri chili powder, 2 pinch. For it to get cool down, put it in mixie. Heat the same pan. Don't clean it. Put some oil. Put some kadugu. Put some karvapala. Chick. Add the chutney. Mix. See, chutney over. Serve the chutney with murugal dosa. Dinner over. Go.